My name is Benjamin Kwenda. I'm from the Meteorological Services Department. I'm also one of the co-chairs for the community of practice for anticipatory action, or for focus-based financing. So what we are gathered here to do is the community of practice has been more of an informal setup previously, but we are trying to move to make it a formal setup that is also established within the government structures, and also with the intention to actually get to a point where we establish a national technical working group, because there is some technical details that come in with regards to the processes that have to be involved before we finally get to say we are now doing anticipatory action. And the whole concept is to be able to respond to any expected eventualities or any expected hazards that could possibly affect the lives of people. For example, in the cases of maybe droughts, incidents of flooding, incidents of any weather or climate related disasters that could actually be forecasted before they actually get to happen. We need to say, once we have generated the forecast, there should be an idea of pre-positioning of financial support or material support that can then at the end of the day enable people to actually respond in the best ways. We hope that by the end of the workshop we will actually come up with terms of reference for the establishment of the National Technical Working Group and also its constitution. So gathered here we have members from various government departments and government ministries, such as the Department of Civil Protection, the Meteorological Services Department, Ministry of Public Labor, Social Welfare. We also have colleagues from the Ministry of Health and other government departments. We also have a number of national non-governmental organizations, both local and international. We have UN agencies such as WFP, then we have Veltanga Youth, WHH, we have colleagues from the Red Cross Society, we also have colleagues from Action Controller Fame, Nutrition Zimbabwe, among others, and all these, they are all part of the community of practice with the intention to actually transform it into an organization that could also have a difference. World Vision is also represented as well among the organizations that are there.
My name is Nkomo. I'm the Acting Chief Director for the Department of Civil Protection. We are in Masvingo, where we are deliberating on anticipatory action related issues currently being applied in our efforts to enhance our level of preparedness, even pre-positioning of funds, not only by the government of Zimbabwe, but by other players, so that it makes a big difference in our state of preparedness. And already there is an informal organization made up of people from various players, which constitute the community of practice.